Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to change your Facebook cover photo without posting it to your timeline. This is perfect for those who want to keep their updates private and avoid unnecessary notifications. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile by tapping on your profile picture. This will take you directly to your profile page, where you can see your current cover photo. Now, hover over your cover photo. You'll notice a camera icon appear at the bottom right corner of the photo. Click on this icon to open the options for updating your cover photo. Here, you'll see the option to upload photo. Select this to choose a new photo from your device's gallery. Once you've selected your new cover photo, you'll be given the opportunity to adjust it to fit the cover photo frame. Take a moment to position it just right, ensuring it looks perfect. Now here's the important part. Before saving your new cover photo, make sure to uncheck the option that says, Share your update to newsfeed. This step is crucial if you want to avoid posting the change to your timeline. Unfortunately, this option might not be available on all devices or versions of the app. So if you can't find it, proceed with saving the photo and then hide the post immediately. After unchecking the Share option, click Save to update your cover photo. If the Share option wasn't available, your new cover photo will be posted to your timeline. To remove it, scroll down to the post, click the three dots at the top right corner, and select Hide from Profile. This will remove the post from your timeline, ensuring that only visitors to your profile will see the new cover photo. By following these simple steps, you can keep your Facebook profile fresh without broadcasting every change to your friends. This way, you maintain control over what you share and when, keeping your updates private and hassle-free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.